Hi guys, in today's video I just wanted to show you how you can add a new menu item or edit a menu or change your menu, and also how to create a sub menu. So let's get started. So in your WordPress dashboard, if you log in, all you need to do is you need to come to Appearance and click on Menus. So this will bring up your menu dashboard, and from here you can select different menus. So you can create more than one menu, and you can have different pages under each menu. So we'll start off with the main menu, which is the top menu over here. And if you want to add any new items to it, all you have to do is select it and click on Add to Menu. If you want to remove any items, all you have to do is you have to come to the bottom and click on Remove, and that will remove it from your menu. If you want to go back and add it again, and select hotels or whatever page it is that you want to add, it will show over here all your pages, and you click on Add to Menu, and that will show on this navigation over here. You can also drag and drop it to any position that you want to show, and that will order it in that way. You can also create a sub menu under a menu, so you can select it and you can drop it to the side of it, and this will create a sub menu under that menu, which will have a arrow to as a drop down under that menu. I don't want that, so I'll just drag it and keep it the same. What you can also do is you can create another menu. So for example, I've created another menu over here. Just need to save that. So if you go to another menu, for example, you can create a menu that I use as my footer menu, and that will just have my contact page, terms and conditions, and privacy policy, and that's a separate menu to my main menu. That's over there, so that's quite nice to have. But yeah, that's how simple and easy it is. If you guys enjoyed the video and like to see anything similar to this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Cheers.